This is review for TDA 1. Question number 1 is, what is the value of digit 6 in the number 910,486,305? Here 6 is this one. We can write like this. This is ones, tens, hundred. This 6 is 1,000. Okay, value of the digit is 6,000. Then question number 2 is 5,800,915 in the standard form. Here A and C look similar, but in A, here is point. Okay, it must not be point. Okay, it must be comma here. Then you can see here in option C, 5,800,915. Correct option is C. Then question number 3 is 55,557 in expanded form. In expanded form, we need to write 1 separate, then 10 separate, plus 100, plus 1,000, plus 10,000, plus 100,000, like this. As here, this number is 55,557. Now here ones is 7. You can see in D this 7 ones, then this 5 tens, next 5 is 100, then this next 5 is 1,000, and this next 5 is 10,000. Okay, this D is the correct option. Question number 4 is, we need to subtract here minus. To subtract number up here, this one must be bigger than the number, this the down one. Okay, as here the digit is 3. 3 is smaller than 5. Then we need one borrow from the next digit. Okay, as next digit is 0. From 0 we can't borrow. That's why we will go to this 8. We need borrow 1 here with this 0. This will be 10. And at the place of 8, here remaining 7. Now from 10, we can 1 borrow with this 3. This will be 13. And now this is not 10. Now this will be 9. At the place of 10 remaining is 9. Now we need to subtract. 13 minus 5, 8. Here 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Now here in the third digit, the number up is 7 and down is 9. The number up is small. That's why we need one borrow from this 7. Now this is not 7. Here will be 6 and one borrow here with this 7. Okay, this will be 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. And the last one is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 will be 1. Your answer is 1,898. Now question number 5 is, we need multiply. What is the product? Okay, product or multiply. First of all, this 7 we need to multiply with 4, 1 in 9. First of all, 7 multiply 4, 28. 8 here to carry to the next number. Then 7 multiply 1, 7 plus this 2 will be 9. Then 7 multiply 9, that is 63. 7 multiply 9 is 63. Now we need to multiply this 6. To multiply 6, as 6 is the 10th digit, we need to start here from 10th digit, from here, okay, from this place, that from the ones place. Ones place here will be 0. Now we need to multiply this 6 with 4. 6 multiply 4 is 24. 4 here, 2 up. 6 multiply 1, 6, and 2 will be 8. And then 9 multiply 6 is 54. The last number, this complete number we need to write here. No need to carry to the next number, as no next number after 9. Okay. Then at the end, we need to add these digits. 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 4, 13. 3 here, 1 carry to the next number. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 2 here, 1 carry to the next number. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 here, 1 up. And this 1 plus 5 will be 6. Here answer is 61,238. This is the answer. Then question number 6 is estimate the difference. We need minus by rounding to the nearest 100. You know, in 100 there will be 2 zeros. We need to make the first 2 digit zeros. Now we will check the last 0. This is 8. We will check this is an upper bound or lower bound. Okay, in the lower bound, first 5 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the upper bound will be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. As 8 is in the upper bound, then we need to add 1 in the next digit. Here, plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. If the last 0, this one is the digit 8 here, okay? If this will be in the lower bound, mean here will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then no need plus 1, okay? Then the next digit will be same, okay? Now this 1 is it is minus, again in this one, this we need to round to the nearest 100. First 2 digits will be 0. The last digit we are making 0 is 9. 9 again in the upper bound. Okay. Then we need plus 1 in the next digit. That is 4 plus 1 is 5. And this 8 is 7. Here is 8,500 minus 1,400. After calculating this, here will be 7,100. The difference of 8,500 minus 1,400 is 7,100. This is the answer. Now, next, question number 7. What 18 is called? First of all, I have to tell you all these names. As here is minus, okay? When we are going to subtract one number from the other one, the first number, the bigger one, is called minute. This one is minute. This 19. Second one is called subtrahend. This 18 is called subtrahend. And the difference is the last one. In this minus, the answer will be the difference. This 1 after equal sign. This one is called difference. This is difference. Here in the question, he is asking about 18. What 18 is called? Now we will check 18. 18 is this one. Okay. 18 is subtrahend. then here answer is C, subtrahend. Now, question number 8 is, what is 15 called in this number? As here is divide, okay, quotient. The first one in this one is called dividend. The second number is called divisor. And the third one, this after equal sign, this is called quotient. This is quotient. As here he's talking about 15. And 15 is the first number, that is dividend. Is D. D is the correct option here. Now, question number 9 is, find the perimeter of polygon in centimeters. You know, perimeter is length of the boundary line. As this polygon is the bounded figure, then length of the boundary. As in boundary, there are 4 sides. 300 plus 500 plus 900 plus again 500. We need to add all these numbers. Here 0, here again 0, here 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. This is 2200 centimeter. As unit is given in the question, centimeter. This is the perimeter of polygon. Now in question number 10, what is the perimeter of rectangle? You know, rectangle is of this shape, like this. This is a rectangle. This one. In this rectangle is here, length is given. Length is 23 feet. This is 23 feet. And width is 7 feet. 7 feet. Okay, length 23 feet. Width is 7 feet. We need to find the perimeter. Again, here is perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the boundary line. As in the boundary, there are 4 sides. The first side is there 23. This one is 23. Opposite to this is also 23. Plus again 23. This side is 7 plus 7. This side also 7 plus 7. And when we are going to add 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. Here 0, 2, carry to the next number. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 60 feet is the perimeter. Okay, like this you can do. Okay, as this option A is correct. And you can write like this also, as here 2 lengths and 2 width. 2 multiply length plus width, like this also. Okay, 2 times length. Length here is 23 plus width is 7. 2 times 23 plus 7 is 30, and 2 times 30 will be 60 feet, like this. This is A. Sometimes we can ask you about the area of the rectangle. If here is area at the place of perimeter, here will be area. Then how we can find if there will be area? For area, I'm writing here. Area of the rectangle is length multiply width. As here length is 23. Multiply width is 7. Then 23 multiply 7 is 3 sevens are 21. 1 here, 2 carry to the next number. 7 twos are 14 and 2 16. 161 square feet. As you know, in area there will be square feet always, okay? For area will be unit square, okay? Then if in the question will ask about the area, then answer can be D. Okay, this 161 square feet. Okay, as in C also 161, but there is only feet. That's why this will not be correct. Okay, square feet will be the correct for area. Okay, for perimeter, no need square. For area, there must be square on the unit. Now, next question is question number 11. Question 11 is 516 is divisible by. First of all, I have to tell you the rules how to check number divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. First of all is 2. If this the ones place is here is 6, this number digit is even. As a whole, this number is even. Okay, even means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If here will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it means this number is even. Okay, if number is even, then it is divisible by 2. As here is 6. 6 is even, then 516 even. It means this is divisible by 2. Okay, this is divisible by 2. 2, yes, yes, yes. This is divisible by 2. Then we'll check for 3. For 3, the rule is as 516 is a big number. This directly to check is difficult. Then what is the rule? We need to add these 3 digits. After adding 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. Now we can check this 12 divisible by 3 or not. Yes, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 12 divided by 3, 4. This is divisible by 3. Okay, if you are thinking this 12 is a big number, again these 2 digits you can add and then can check. As 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 again divisible by 3. Okay, like this also you can check. But as 12 divisible by 3, it means for 3, yes, 3, 3, 3, 3. This divisible by 3. Then for 4, this 516. To check the number is divisible by 4, we need to check the first 2 digits, ones and tens place. As first 2 digit is making here the number 16. We need to check 16 divisible by 4 or not. Is 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. It is divisible by 4. Okay, that's why we can say here for 4 divisible. Yes, yes, and here yes. Now after 4 there is 5. As number is 516. Every number divisible by 5 if its ones place is 0 or 5. Here ones place is 6, neither 0 nor 5. Okay, if it will be 515 or 520, like this. Mean first place is the ones place will be 0 or 5. 0 or 5. Then this number will be divisible by 5. But as here in 516, the ones place is 6, neither 0 nor 5. It means this is not divisible by 5. This number is not divisible by 5. For 5, no. For 5, no. After 5, there is 6. For 6, no need to check directly by 6. Okay. If any number divisible by 2 as well as for 3, it will be divisible by 6. As here, this 516 is divisible by 2. For 2, yes. For 3, also yes. Okay. As number divisible by 2 as well as for 3. It means this number is divisible by 6. For 6, yes. Yes. Here, yes. Now only 9 is remaining. For 9 and 3, the same rule. Okay. you need to add the digit. After adding digit, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, answer is 12. Now we will check. This 12 divisible by 9? No. 12 not divisible by 9. Okay. It means 516 also not divisible by 9. This is not divisible by 9. Now you can see here in option B, all are divisible. 2, 3, 4, 6. In option B, all are divisible. In A, all not divisible. In C and D also all not divisible. That's why B is the correct answer. Then question number 12. Question 12 is the factors of 32. What are the factors? If we are going multiply any two numbers and in the result, the product, we are getting 32. Those two numbers will be the factor of 32. Like this, 1 multiplied 32 is 32. You know, 1 and itself mean 32. These two numbers always the factor of every number, 1 and itself. Then after that, we will check for 2. 2 multiplies 16, also 32. Then 3, no. For 4, 4 multiply 8, 32. 6, 5, no. 6, no. 7, no. 8 already here. Then no need to check further, okay? Then 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. These are the factors. We can write here in order, okay? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. These 6 factors there for 32. Now question number 13. Which of the following number is prime? A number has exactly 2 factors will be prime. And if the number has more than 2 factors will be composite. Okay. Here for 49, we can check the factors of 49. You know, 1 multiply 49 is 49. And you know, 7 multiply 7 also 49. 1, 7, 49. These 3 factors for 49, that 2. Then for 37, you know, 1 multiply 37 is 37. There is no other factor for 37. For 22, 1 multiply 22, 22. 2 multiply 11 will be 22. 22 has 4 factors. And for 1, only 1 multiply 1 is 1. 1 has only 1 factor. That's why neither prime nor composite. This one neither prime nor composite. Is for prime there must be 2 factors. And for composite there must be more than 2 factors. 1 neither prime nor composite. 22 has more than 2 factor. It is composite. 49 has more than 2 factor. It is composite. And 37 has only 2 factors. That's why this is prime number. Question number 14. Multiply and simplify. Here we can multiply and then simplify. First simplify, then multiply. I think first simplify, then multiply, that will be better, because if you are going multiply, here the product will be a big number and it is difficult to simplify a big number. Okay. First of all, we can check here those if in the numerator and denominator numbers same, you can directly cancel. Okay, with this 12 in the numerator, you can cancel with this 12 in the denominator. Then here in the numerator, 9 is remaining, and in the denominator, 18 is remaining. And you know, 9 divided by 18 is 9 is the highest common factor of 9 and 18. You can divide 9 by 9, and this 18 also you can divide by 9. Then here answer will be 9 divided by 9 is 1, and 18 divided by 9 will be 2. Here the answer is 1 divided by 2, half. Question number 15. A fraction represented by the shaded part in the figure below. First of all, we will check how many shaded parts here in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are shaded. In the numerator, we need to write shaded. And in denominator, we need to write all the parts. As here, all these blocks we need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total are 9 parts. Okay. In the numerator, shaded. In denominator, all the parts. Okay. That is 4 divided by 9. And 4 by 9 is in B. B is the correct option. Then question number 16. Simplify. 15 divided by 0. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. This C is the correct option. Here, this question can be like this as well, as it is 15 divided by 0, that is undefined. If there will be 0 in the numerator, means 0 divided by 15, then answer will be 0. If there will be 15 divided by 15, mean number divided by itself, that will be 1. And if 15 we are going to divide by 1, that will be 15. These 4 here possibilities can be, okay. It's not necessary that here is 15, any number, okay. Any number divided by 0, that is undefined. 0 divided by any number, 0. Any number divided by itself, that will be 1. And any number divided by 1 will be the same number. There will be no change in the number. Okay. Here for question 16, answer is C. Then question number 17. Find LCM, least common multiple of 18 and 30. 18 and 30. We will choose here the prime divisors for 18 and 30. The first prime divisor, the lowest prime divisor is 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now we can't divide by 2 here. Any number we can't divide by. If we can divide by 2, one number out of these 2, we must divide. Okay. It's not necessary that both of the number must be divisible by 2. Okay. If even one number we can divide by 2, we will divide that one, and the other number, the one is not divisible by 2, we can write down same. Okay. But as here both the numbers not divisible by 2, then we will divide by the next prime number, that is 3. 9 divided by 3 will be 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now again we need to divide by 3, as here one number is possible to divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And this 5 is not divisible, then 5 same. Now here, no number divisible by 3. After 3, the next prime number is 5. Then this 1 is not divisible. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. All the numbers at the left we need to multiply. For LCM and LCM, we need to multiply all these numbers at the left. All these numbers, these the prime numbers, okay? We need to take the product of these numbers. 2 multiply 3, multiply 3, multiply 5. 2 multiply 3, 6, 6 multiply 3, 18, 18 multiply 5 is 90. 90 is the LCM. Now, in question number 18, subtract and simplify. When we are going to add or subtract the fractions, first of all, we need to check their LCD, least common denominator. If The fraction is the like fraction, meaning denominator both numbers same. That is very easy, simple, okay? But if numbers are different, as here 5 and 7 different numbers, then we need to find the LCD. LCD of 5 and 7. LCD means least common denominator, okay? That the way is same as here we have done this LCM. When these two numbers will be in the denominator, we can say LCD, okay? Otherwise, the method is same to find LCM or LCD. Here LCD of 5 and 7 is 35. We need 35 in both the denominators. 5 multiply 7 is 35. That's why we need multiply here with the numerator as well, the same number, okay, 7. As 7 multiply 5 is 35. Same number we need to multiply with the numerator as well. If we are going to multiply any number with the denominator, we must multiply same number with the numerator. Now, here 4 multiply 7, 28, divided by 5 multiply 7, 35. Minus 3 multiply 5 is 15, divided by 7 multiply 5, 35. Now you can see here in denominator 35, 35. LCM is 35. We need to write here LCD, okay? LCD is 35. LCD we need to write in the common denominator, okay? That is 35 common, okay? Not 2 times. Then in the numerator there is 28 minus 15. 28 minus 15 is 13. The answer is 13 divided by 35. Now the next question is, what is the reciprocal of 1 divided by 8? You know, in reciprocal, we need exchange numerator with the denominator. Okay? This is here numerator 8, numerator is 1 and denominator is 8. Then we need to shift this 8 up and 1 down. Okay, that will be 8 divided by 1. And you know 8 divided by 1 is 8. The reciprocal of 1 by 8 will be 8. This is the answer. Now, question number 20 is prime factorization of 44. We need to find the prime factors of 44. First prime number is 2. We will check this 44 divisible by 2. Yes. 44 divided by 2 is 22. Again, we will check, is it divisible by 2? Yes. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Is 11 itself a prime number? Then we need to divide by 11. Okay. And 11 divided by 11 is 1. Okay. Here prime factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. All these prime numbers at the left is this one, and this one. This is the answer. As this is in part A. Sorry, here option A. Question number 2 is, and the correct option is A.